How to fix Facebook account lock. So if you are looking to unlock your account, you have come to the right video. Please subscribe and click that bell icon on for more videos like this. So if your account is locked on Facebook, what we're going to do is go to your browser and search for Facebook Help Center. So click the first link after you search, and the next thing to do is go to login and password. Then choose here among the options, fix a login problem. So we have other options here under login help. Click the recover your Facebook account if you can't log in. So you would see that there are a lot of suggestions and instructions on how to recover your account. So what we're going to do is to scroll down and suggest that the info is not helpful, and the reason is that the solution doesn't work. So type in these words. You can copy or imitate these words that you're going to send to the Facebook help team, and make sure that all of the infos that you put in this box are also the same in your Facebook account, such as name, email, birth date, and number. So once you are done with all of the infos, you can send this to the support team of Facebook and you'll be able to recover your account. Thank you for watching.